students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that which direction will you face if you start from, we are given the part A, that is east, and make half of the revolution clockwise. Starting from east and make half of the revolution in the clockwise direction. And in the last line, we are given that should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise for the last question? Why not? So here in this question, let's first make the diagram for the direction. So this is representing north direction. This side is representing south. This side is representing the east. And this side is representing the west. This is one complete revolution. It is given that we are facing east. Means we are here and we are facing east, and if we move clockwise half revolution, this must be half revolution, this is lower half, and this from here is upper half. If we are facing at east and if we start revoluting in clockwise direction, so what will be the direction of our face? This is what we need to find out. So here we are at east and we are moving in the clockwise direction, so our face will be towards the west side. Here we can say that we will face west. So this is the answer to the first part of this question. Now let's move to the next part. In the next part, we are given that part B, we are given that east and made 1 divided by 2 revolution clockwise, which means initially it is facing towards east. This is east, this is west, this is north, and this is south. If it initially it is facing east and from there it moves 1 divided by 2, which means 1 revolution complete plus half revolution. So complete 1 revolution from here is somewhat like this. This is complete 1 revolution. After that, after completing this proper 1 revolution, it will again face east. Now after that, it cover half revolution too as well. So when we cover when it cover half revolution again, it will face towards west. So we can say that again west is the answer to given question. So we will face west. So this is the answer to the part B of the question. Now let's move to the next part. So here in this part we are given that west and make 3/4 of the revolution in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. So look here, if we starting from here and moving like this, it is clockwise, and if it is given that it is anti-clockwise, which means it will move opposite to the clockwise direction. So it is given that it is at west. This is north, this is south, this is west, and this is east. It is given that from west it will cover 3/4 of this revolution. So look, there are 4 chambers, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So every chamber representing 1/4. So 3/4 means it will cover 3 chambers. So starting from west, it will move anti-clockwise direction. So it will move in the way. It will move 3, that is 3/4, which means it will cover this 3 compartment. So we can say that after starting from west and moving 3/4 of the revolution in the anti-clockwise direction, it will face towards north. So we can say that north is the answer to the part C of this question. Now let's move to the part D. So here in this question we are given that it is at south and make full revolution. In this question we are not specified whether it moved clockwise or anti-clockwise. So look here, we have to specify as well that should we specify clockwise or anti-clockwise for this last part. So this is question, we have to also find them if it is necessary to specify whether it moves clockwise or anti-clockwise. Let's make this. This is north, this is south, this is west from here, this is east. If it moves clockwise, starting from west, it moves clockwise making 1 complete revolution. So starting from south, it will again comes at south. So we can say that when it moves clockwise starting from south, the answer from here will be south. And if it will travel anti-clockwise, if it will travel anti-clockwise, look, west, north, east, south, starting from south, moving anti-clockwise direction. Again, if it start from south and moving anti-clockwise direction, again it will face the south direction. So from here we can see that both cases, when we moved towards through clockwise direction or when we move through anti-clockwise direction, the result is same, that is south. So from here we can say that when we complete a one complete revolution, no matter through which direction we move, we will always face the direction through which we started. So it does not matter from which direction we go. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic fundamentals of uh, shapes. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.